Hey Math Aces! Welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to answer this question. And it says, if a recipe calls for 2 cups of flour and makes 12 cookies, what is the amount of flour needed per cookie? Well, what information is really important here? Well, it tells us that when we use 2 cups of flour, it makes 12 cookies. So we can definitely see that there's a relationship between the cups of flour and how many cookies it can make. The question is asking, what is the amount of flour needed per cookie? Now this is really important, Math Aces, so you need to pay close attention. The question itself is going to tell us what our rate will look like. In other words, what's going to go on the top and what's going to go on the bottom. The magic is in this word per. Why is this word per so important? Because what you talk about before the word per will be what you put in the top of the rate. And the word that comes after the word per is what will be in the bottom of the rate. So when we're setting up our rate, I'll start with a line. And the first thing before the word per is the amount of flour needed. In the problem, they said we can use 2 cups of flour. So I'll put that in the top. So again, the amount of flour is going to be in the top of our rate because it's before the word per. This means that the number of cookies will be in the bottom of the rate because it's after the word per. And how many cookies can we get when we use 2 cups of flour? Well, it says it right here, that's 12. So I'll put 12 cookies in the bottom. What we're looking for is how many cups of flour for every 1 cookie, because it says per cookie. And that means we're going to be looking for something called a unit rate. And in order to find the unit rate, we always need to divide by whatever the bottom of our rate's value is. In this case, that's the number 12. So I'm going to divide the bottom by 12 and the top by 12. Divided by 12 equals 1. So we've got 1 cookie in the bottom of the rate, which is perfect because that's exactly what we want, per cookie. Then we'll put the fraction line of our rate. Well, because I know that that's going to be a decimal and a repeating one at that, I'm going to represent it as a fraction. And that would be 2 over 12, which is the same exact thing. If I have 2 over 12, I can reduce that by dividing both by 2, and that's going to give me 1 over 6. So this is 1/6 of a cup of flour. And finally, let's put our answer in a complete sentence. So the amount of flour needed per cookie is 1/6 of a cup. And there you have it, Math Aces. We have our notes, we have our work, and our final answer to a word problem in a complete sentence. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in math class.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, ace it.